So let's take a look at the workbook real quick on this empathy mapping exercise. So in the beginning, you're gonna, again, read through all this stuff, educate yourself, but you can coach yourself here. So say, think, feel, and do, right? When you say stuff, look at your communication patterns, what's going on, and most importantly, how your communication maybe impacts others. How do people around you being affected by it? Is it aligned with your intentions? The things that you say you will do, the things that you say to others and to yourself as well, is it aligned with your true intentions and values? Think through this stuff. Is there alignment between the things that you say and the things that you think? What is the internal dialogue, this mental chatter, blah, 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 blah? What is exactly going on? And most importantly, what's the impact of this self-talk? How your thoughts impact you. And challenge negative thoughts. Try to identify, is there any kind of negative thinking? If yes, capture it. Capture it right here on the paper. And understand, is there actually underlying thought, underlying program that you can challenge? Feeling. Bring everything to the level of your awareness. How does the mind respond to your thinking? What are the emotional responses? Any kind of triggers in your life? So any specific situations or maybe people that evoke certain emotions? What's your impact on actions? Does your inner state, inner experience and influence, and of course it influences, but how does it influence your decisions and actions? And of course your do. Just look at yourself as you would be like some other person, like a sim in a game, and understand what are your behavioral patterns? What's your response to situations? How do you identify the change? And once you go through this exercise, you complete it, you can visualize, and again, you can do it pen and paper, or you can do it in Notion, right? Here are the 4 quadrants for you, and just work through them and write this all stuff down. Very importantly, this tool can be used for understanding others. You can use this tool to empathy map other people, right? For example, if you're working on your business, solo business like myself, it helps me to understand the ideal client profile, like what's my target audience, maybe create content for people, right? And it helps you to understand like what it's like being in their shoes. What kind of experience do they actually have? I'm sure you will find a creative way to leverage this, but hopefully this helps, and yeah, I'll see you in the next exercise.